Hey everyone, Tech Steve here. Welcome back to the channel. On this video, we're going to talk about a OREI 4K HDMI extender. Now, this is something that could be unique for a lot of people, and what it's going to allow you to do is take a single source. It could be a PlayStation, Xbox, Apple TV, anything you like. But keep this in mind, gaming consoles requires Bluetooth for this controller, so it only can go so far if you're trying to share it in other rooms. But if you have something like a Blu-ray player, it's going to allow you to use a IR blaster, which I'll show you a little bit later on, and still control it with the remote control no matter which room it is, because it does support that. This system is going to allow everyone to enjoy the same signal in their own individual space, and this could be great for anyone who has a family, or if you want to have game night and be able to share the same signal on multiple TVs. And it's also a great system if you own a bar or a office where you want to show the same signal to multiple rooms. It's going to be able to handle that as well. Now let me show you what it looks like and how it works. The wireless transmitter has these antennas on it, and this is going to allow you to get up to 50 meters or 165 feet. It has an input that comes in from your source, and that could be a Blu-ray player, it could be your PlayStation, it could be anything that has an HDMI output, and then you have an output that goes back over to the television in that room. And as you can see here, I have TV number 1 playing. For TV number 2, I have a receiver, and this receiver will collect a signal over from that transmitter, and it has a single HDMI output that would go over to your television so you can play it in room number 2. This kit comes with 1 receiver, but you can add up to 4 of these receivers, and again, you can play that same signal in the 3rd room. And I love the fact that the transmitter has an input and output, so you always have that TV set. But being able to add 4 more receivers, you can extend it any way you like, and you can grow it because the extra receivers are sold separately. Let's look at some examples of what you can do. So right now, I have up my Plex server. I can hit play on it, and as you can see, it's starting to play the demo that I have pre-installed. If I walk over here, you can see that that same signal is playing on this TV, and if I go over here, that same signal is playing on this TV. And the great thing about this is that it has very minimum delay because it uses Wi-Fi to make sure that you get the best possible picture quality and sound quality on all your devices. For this example, we're going to talk about gaming. So if we come over here, I have Dirt 5 loaded up in the background, and as I walk around from TV to TV, there's very little delay in this system. So can you imagine having a game night where you're playing with your friends, you have 4 TVs in the same room, everyone gets their own TV, and they get their own gaming experience. So this is something that's going to be very handy for a lot of people out there who wants to have a gaming console on multiple televisions. They do support HDMI 2.0, HDCP 2.2, 1080p up to 4K, and up to 12 bits for the best screen quality. Another thing I want to point out is that the ranges do vary. So if you have 1 device, you can get up to 50 meters. And if you add up to 4, you're looking at 15 meters. I showed you some examples how this works so you can get a great idea. Now I'm going to show you everything that comes in the box with it so you know what to expect if you decide to get one. When you first open it up, you can see on top here we have the transmitter, and this is going to hook up to any type of source like your gaming console or anything you like. And this is the receiver that goes over to the display that you want to show the information on. And I would tell you that these will extend up to 50 meters, which is pretty far, especially in clear range. Now it does come with a power cord for each of them. And of course you get the instruction book, and this will walk you through how to set everything up. It also comes with 2 IR repeaters, and this allows you to have like a Blu-ray player on one side, send the signal through, and control it on the other side. And it does come with these antennas that we're going to screw on to the back of them. Now you're going to remove these red covers over here, and then the antenna is just going to screw into the back like this. The same thing comes with some of the more fancier Wi-Fi's out there. So let's get this all set up, and now we'll set up the other one. Again, just screw them in just like that. Pretty simple stuff. And you can mount this because it comes with this little kit right here that has some screws, and you can mount them to the wall very easy. So first we're going to take a look at the transmitter, and on the front of it you have your power indicator, Wi-Fi, your signal reader, and over here we have a channel button, and this is where you can switch it out if you're not getting great reception. On the back of it has a upgrade port, an HDMI input that will go to your source like the PlayStation or Xbox or anything you'll plug into it, and then you can reroute that signal back out and have 1 television there, and there's where you plug in the IR blaster. And again, you would use this for any kind of signal that's not Bluetooth. And here's a receiver that comes with it, and as you can see, it has the same indicators on it plus the channel button. In the back of it, we have an upgrade button, HDMI output that goes over to that second monitor, and you have an RF blaster to control different devices in the room, plus your power cord input. I know the solution is not for everyone, but there are special cases where people want to take their Blu-ray player or some type of streaming device and put it out in their garage or bedroom or even upstairs in the attic, and you need a way to get a good signal to it. So I think this will work for those people. Again, if you have an office and you have multiple screens and you want to display the same signal on all of those to show a presentation, I think this is a great solution for you. If you guys are interested in learning more, I'll leave all the links in the description below. I'm Tech Steve. Thanks all for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.